Boil the water in the wok for the sausages. Cook the sausages for about 5 minutes. Once done, cut them into small circles and set aside. In a wok or large skillet, put cooking oil on medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add the ginger and cook for about 1 minute or lightly brown. Add the sausages and cook until it starts to almost crisp. Now add the kimchi. Then add the lettuce and cook until done. Now add the rice and sesame oil. Then turn off the heat when the sauce and rice is mixed together and set aside. Cook the eggs sunny side up or however you like. Serve hot immediately and enjoy. This is the final results. I hope you enjoy your kimchi fried rice. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I've included the link below for the recipe. Yummy!